What's up guys, ituturo ko sa inyo paano gumawa ng Microsoft account. Easy lang tayo dyan guys. So wait lang, search lang natin. Yan, so ito,
Download the Copilot app.
hindi yan yun.
See if your PC is ready.
So
Learn more. Learn more. One note on it.
bakit puro learn more to?
Join PC Game Pass now. Download now.
So ito ay mobile pala.
Learn more.
Create tayo ng Microsoft account sa mobile. Bad trip, nasa na yung...
Download the Copilot. Microsoft.
So click nyo lang to. Hanapin natin yung sign in guys.
Choose your Microsoft 360. See if your PC is ready. Microsoft OneDrive. Learn more.
So puro learn more yung nakalagay dito guys pala. Nasaan yung sign in, no?
Download Visual Studio. Get it today. Learn more about Microsoft Viva.
So ang gawin na lang natin is click na lang natin to. Kasi kailangan natin maka-sign in. So ayun, di natin makita, no? Bad trip talaga. Nasaan yung sign in na yun? Sign in option. So sign in. Where are you?
Business. Enterprise.
So wait lang guys Click nyo to, baka nandito yung sign in.
Teams. Copilot. Windows. Teams. Copilot. Windows. Surface. Xbox. Support. Software. PCs at devices. Entertainment. Entertainment. Business. Developer at it. Other. View sitemap. For business.
So hindi natin mahanap yung sign in option, saan kaya? So wait lang guys So ayun, nakita na natin yung sign in option. So punta tayo dito. So hindi nyo papansinin yan, yung email address na yan.
Quibodojoselin@gmail.com. Flayed. Autofill suggest.
So wag yan, no? So i-ano natin, clipboard.
R1181.
So ito yung email address niya. And then guys, after nun, magkikreate tayo ng password. So ayan, so create tayo, simple lang. TOFF.17. So ayan. So hindi to hacking guys Then pagkatapos nyan, save lang natin yung password.
R118139.
So save lang natin.
Create account. Get a new email ad.
Ay, loko-loko, mali pa guys, sorry.
R1181. Suggest strong password.
So ulit guys, so mali tayo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Yan na lang yung password. Wag na. So, ayan, kung nakikita nyo.
What's your name? We need just a little more info to set up your account.
So,
First name. Last name.
ang first name natin is Clyde. Ang spelling ng Clyde ko is ito.
Clyde.
And then yung Ramos. Syempre. And then after nyan, ayan. So may siya, date of birth, gender. So, month muna.
Pitcairn Islands. Poland.
Ay, hindi, country pala, country. Ang ating country, Pilipinas, syempre.
Tonga. Trinidad and Tobago. Tristan da Cunha. Sudan. Suriname.
So, bakit nasa, na agad tayo? What?
Island Islands. Albania.
So, wait
Algeria.
lang guys Hinahanap kasi natin yung Pilipinas, no? So, yun yung ating country. Hanapin lang natin. Pero kanina, nadaanan ko na yun Pero hindi pa din. Hindi, ang gulo ko. So, ganito yung tamang paggawa ng Microsoft. Kailangan bagalan nyo lang kasi syempre, hindi agad mamememorize sa mga nanonood. So, M na tayo, no? M, ito, nandito na tayo sa P.
Palestina. Panama. Papua New Paraguay. Peru. Philippines.
So, ayan yung country natin, Pilipinas. And then, yung ating, June 17.
February. March.
Kakaiba yan,
Birth month. July. August.
So, June. And then, yung year. Then, pagkatapos nyan, enter lang kayo. And then, enter nyo rin yung
Enter the code we sent the R11813984@gmail.com.
ayan, so yung code ise-enter lang natin. So, post ko muna to. So, ayan guys. So, ito na yung code niya.
Show saved passwords. 503.
So, ayan na yung code niya guys. So, na-enter ko na. Then, syempre. And, ayan. Kung may kita ninyo, may verification siya. So, audio na lang tayo, no? So, maganda audio. So, maganda audio guys. Audio. Then, ayan.
Audio challenge. Which option is the sound of water? Type your answer.
Ayan, so madali lang to
Option 1.
Yan o.
Option 2. Option 3.
So, option 1. So, ayan. Tapos agad yung ating verification. Madali lang siya So, tapos na guys. So, nakagawa na tayo ng Microsoft account.
Verification complete.
Yan na. Tapos na.
You've proven you're a human. Continue your action.
So, ayan. Nakakreate na po tayo ng Microsoft account. So, yun lang guys. Dito na nagtatapos ang ating video. Bye-bye.